Let me tell you something powerful about Tahajjud. Have you ever wondered why the quietest part of the night feels so powerful? When the world is asleep, when distractions fade away, Allah opens the doors of His mercy. That moment is called Tahajjud. As beautifully reminded by Mufti Menk, Tahajjud is not just a prayer. It is a private meeting with Allah. It is where broken hearts are healed. It is where closed doors begin to open. It is where miracles quietly happen. This 15-day Tahajjud challenge is not about perfection. It is about reconnecting with Allah. Wake up before Fajr. Make wudu with sincerity. Pray at least 2 rakats. Then remain in sujood a little longer. Lower your voice and speak to Allah like a close friend. Tell Him your pain. Tell Him your fears. Tell Him your dreams. Every tear shed in Tahajjud is precious. Every whisper is heard. After your prayer, recite Surah Al-Ikhlas 3 times. This surah declares Allah's oneness, and reciting it 3 times carries the reward of reciting the entire Quran. Then recite Ya Fattah 100 times. Call upon Allah, the opener. Ask Him to open doors of rizq, success, opportunities, and ease. Then recite Ya Wadood 100 times. Invoke Allah, the most loving, for healing relationships, attracting love, and filling your heart with peace. After this, raise your hands. Make dua from your heart. No memorized lines, no rushed words, just honesty. If you miss one night, don't give up. As Mufti Menk reminds us, Allah doesn't count how many times you fall. Allah counts how many times you return. The real miracle of Tahajjud is not only answered du'as, it is a softened heart, a calmer soul, a stronger trust in Allah. After 15 days, your situation may change, but more importantly, you will change. Start tonight. Trust Allah's timing, believe in His response, and keep coming back to Him. Because Tahajjud is where hope is reborn.